Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the POIQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Here I am going to discuss a problem from NEET UG paper 2020. This particular question was set in the COVID period re-exam paper. So let us try to understand and solve this problem. The problem says calculate the acceleration of the block and trolley system as shown in the figure. So this is the figure, you can see this is the trolley and this is the block, and the trolley and block, they are connected by a single string via this pulley. The coefficient of kinetic friction between trolley and the surface is 0.05. So there is a friction between the trolley and the surface over here, and here you are instructed to take G as 10 meter per second square and mass of the string is negligible and no other friction exists. That means there is only friction here and no other friction. That means there is no friction between the string and the pulley. So pulley is an ideal pulley and the string is also having negligible mass. So here we can see we have to find out the acceleration of this system. First of all, these two are connected by a single string, so acceleration of both will be the same. So let me assume that the 2 kg block is moving in the downward direction with acceleration a, and hence the trolley also will be moving in this direction with the same acceleration. Here, since there is a single string between them, so the tension will be also the same for both the string from pulley to this trolley and from pulley to this block. Let us try to draw the free body diagram over here, and then it will be easy to write down the equations of motion. So for 2 kg block, there will be downward force, that is its own weight, 2 into G, and in the upward direction only one force, that is the tension in the string. Okay, so what will be the equation of motion? Let me write it here. So 2 into G minus T, that will be equal to 2 into A. 2 into A. Now for the trolley, it has 10 kg weight, and you see here there will be a tension T in the forward direction, and there will be friction acting at the interface between the wheels and the surface, so that will be acting in the opposite direction, and also there will be M into A, that means the 10 into A, that will act in the forward direction that we have assumed. Okay, so here also I should have drawn 2 into A. Okay, so for the trolley how we can write the equation of motion? See here, actually the weight of this trolley will be balanced by the normal force that will be acting in the upward direction, since it doesn't have any vertical motion. So this will be balancing each other. Okay, so this weight of the trolley will be balanced by the normal force offered by the surface. Okay, alright, so again, see, there is a kinetic friction given over here. If we want, we can find out this frictional force, that is mu kinetic m into g, that means 10 kg into g. So this also can be found out here. See, 0.05 into 100, right? So this will give you in Newton, it will be 5 Newton. Okay, let me now write down the equation of motion of the trolley, that is T minus F is equal to 10 into A. Now let us add these two equations. Okay, so upon adding, what we will get? This T, they will cancel each other, and we will get 2 into G minus F, and this is 12A. We have to find out what is A. A is 2 into G. 2 into G means 2 into 10 minus 5F. We have already found out 5 Newton. So this will be in Newton divided by, this is 12 kg. Okay, so this will give you actually 15 by 12 meter per second square unit, and here this is 5 by 4. Okay, if you simplify this calculation, you will get 1.25 meter per second square. Okay, so the first option will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
A lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from class 6 to class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for class 6 to class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com.